Okay, so this is the final video of the deck. Everything's done, all down, clean, all the garbage in the trailer, 3 loads came out of here. Stairs are staying, I left them standing. They're too heavy for me to bring down myself without breaking it. Anyways, here we are. I guess so. It's all done. That's where the metal roof was. So this is CGC, Castro's General Contracting, 778-891-4017. For all your contracting needs, give us a call. Based out of Surrey BC, servicing the Lower Mainland since 2004. And here was the shed. It was like probably 6 by 10. They took it down, but I removed all the garbage. Okay, so I'll see you guys on the next one. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.